This is the KK or Union Pacific Railroad swing bridge, and this bridge crosses the Connecticut River and is located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Look at the details of this bridge. It's a nice one. You know, you got the shanty operator's house on the swing span, and it's swung open for boats and ships. And it swings back for rail traffic. Look at the rail traffic, railroad right here. I understand. Yeah, I drew that. And that's a God-given talent. So, this bridge, you got Milwaukee has movable bridges too, in the state, also in the state of Wisconsin. So, it's located it's called a KK Railroad swing bridge or Union Pacific. So.